Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite now. Cancer, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you, so take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Cancer gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Cancer, as always, an angel blessing card to top the reading and then we'll begin your tarot. My angels, a blessing or guidance or advice message for my Cancer, please. Blessing, guidance or advice card for my Cancer gang. This one, all right. Let's keep this one here, Cancer. Put the rest back. And the card I have for you here, Cancer, is Miracle. Wow. Are you praying for a miracle, Cancer? Or maybe there's one on the way. So let's put this lovely card here and let's see what this miracle card means for you in your love life. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your kind comments, your likes, your shares, your generous donations to support this channel. I am so overwhelmed and very grateful and thankful. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So Cancer, let's see what's going on in your love life here. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Cancer, you can reach me. My email is in the description box below. Bottom of the deck, I have the Six of Wands, Cancer, but it's in reverse. So not feeling very victorious, it seems, in love and maybe praying for a miracle right now. Maybe your partner is. So let's take some dialogue messages to get the ball rolling here, Cancer, and see if you guys needed to say something to each other right now. What would that be? Cancer and their partner, Spirit, their love interest, or vice versa. Thank you. Let's take another 3, Cancer, from a separate deck. Let's do 2 more. Okay, 1 more. All right, thank you. The first card I have here, Cancer, for you is, I know that it is our destiny to marry. We are to be united in mission to serve God's plan to spread love and light in the world. Our combined gifts are important to this world. So one person feels, yes, you are my destiny. We are supposed to be together. So let's see what the problem is here now. Second card. I'm so deeply ashamed of my actions. I can't face you right now because of the hurt I caused you. Can you ever forgive me? So somebody has done something here, Cancer, in this relationship, and even though somebody here knows it's their destiny to be together, this was God's plan, and we are supposed to be, happy and spread love and light to the world with the love that we share. The other partner is feeling a little ashamed. Yeah, this card is exactly that. Six of Wands in reverse is a card of somebody feeling embarrassed, publicly humiliated, feeling they've lost, and feeling that people are probably laughing at them, or their partner is, or they feel deeply ashamed of their actions, just as this card is saying. I can't face you right now because of the hurt I caused you. They're asking if, there's any possibility of forgiveness here. Next card. I always thought we would get together and be married. It absolutely breaks my heart that you're with them. Maybe that's the problem here. Even though 2 people know that, you got supposed to be together, somebody maybe went in a different direction. Maybe there were third parties involved, and one partner is very upset that, don't you feel it in your gut? We were supposed to, we were each other's destiny here, and you went off and you're with other people now. Why aren't you with me right now? Next card. I believe that best is yet to come. Keep praying, stay positive, and keep believing in us. So even though the person who is ashamed is feeling embarrassed to come forward, there's still trying to maybe find the courage, waiting for a miracle maybe, that their partner will still keep waiting and stay positive and believing that we are to be together. That's our destiny. Last card. I'm triggered when I'm angry or have decided to walk away from our connection, and the universe decides to bombard me with your name, and your higher self stalks me with musical messages from you. Wow. So even though you guys separated because somebody went the wrong direction here, they still can't get away from their partner, because it's a soulmate connection here, from what I feel. And when then they are hearing songs maybe on the radio or wherever, and every lyric of every song is reminding them of the partner they cheated on or left. So let's see what's happening here. Knight of Pentacles. Yes, things have really come to a stagnancy here, but I think the worst is over yet now, okay? I mean, don't worry. Even though things have halted, maybe somebody was a player here. Yes, somebody was a player. They had addictions. They had other things that they were attached to. This could be substances, could be their work, could be responsibilities, could be another person in their life, or many other people in their life. I don't know, but somebody kind of put their barrier up and said, "Hey, no more. I'm dropping the ball here. I'm not going to stay in my regret and sorrow and upset over somebody who's always proven to be immature around me and go towards their addictions instead of come towards me." So there are lots of barriers here. This chapter is still a bit open yet, though. Somebody wants to return here, Cancer. They want to come back with a flirty message, it seems, or they want to show some love or some emotions. But the other person still has their guard up. They are being a little defensive here, saying, "Hey, I'm already done here." So let's see. Knight of Pentacles, Spirit. What ended here? There was a loss of love here because of somebody's very immature behavior here, Cancer, it seems. Two of Pentacles. Who dropped what? Somebody was very, very emotionally unhappy in this relationship. Maybe there was not enough communication between the two of you. Maybe a message was received or given to one partner which got them really burdened. They couldn't take it anymore. Maybe their partner's addictive or wild behavior became a little overwhelming for this person to take, and the love started to drain out. They were emotionally unsatisfied, and they decided, "Hey, I'm not going to live in this state where I'm always looking back at the past and feeling bad about myself, feeling sorry. I don't want to be stressed and always worrying all the time. I feel I'm in a self-imposed prison all the time, where I'm always thinking, wondering what's going to happen. Do they love me? Will they come back? Are they with somebody else?" So all these thoughts were consuming them so much that I think one person has decided that I'm done with it. I'm dropping this relationship altogether, because their partner was a bit of a immature character, I would say, would sometimes be with them, sometimes not be with them, came in with these romantic offers. Maybe they're fond of listening to music, and they were singing these romantic songs to their partner, but their whole mission used to be to come in for some passion and quickly leave and go towards their own addictions. Now this could be Cancer. Maybe they had a lot of work. Like I said, it doesn't have to be that they were rushing off to another person, but in some cases it could be. But whatever it was, they were not making their partner a priority. They were using them as and when they wanted. It was like at whim. Okay, today I have free time. I might as well go to my person and, romance them a little bit, say some sweet nothings, have some passion, and then I'll move off to whatever is consuming my time. So their partner, I think, got fed up and is guarding themselves big time. The Devil, Spirit. What was this devil addiction that this person was into? I think they were giving to, I don't know what they were giving to Cancer, but they were giving to more than one. Okay, there was no balanced equal give and take between this partnership. So once all these secrets came out, the other partner said, okay, so I'm going to now keep myself protected because I'm not going to be in the line of fire all the time. But I have a feeling that the person who was a player is now wanting to come back again and fight for another chance here. Okay, the like I said, the chapter is still open between the two of you. It hasn't completely shut. It's not like a thing of the past where there's can be no resurrection. They don't want to they don't want to end this chapter with their partner. Now, right now, they're going back and forth in their mind, wishing and hoping and wondering what is it that they can say or they can do, and how they can come back to their partner once again with a romantic offer, because right now they know that chances are very slim. Okay, they may not be accepted because now they know that their partner has their wall up and they are not going to give in that easy. So Knight of Cups spirit, Knight of Cups, they want to return. Yes, they really want to return. They want to return after a period of stagnation, and they want to come and tell their partner that yes, I am sorry. I don't see an apology here, but that's what, in their own romantic way, they want to say that, hey, I went the wrong direction for a while, but I'm back and I want to make it good with you, and you are the love of my life, and all the sweet nothings possible, and now I've made my choice, and hey, you're the one. This is what they want to say. But I think there's a bit of back and forth energy where they are probably looking for a miracle now, because now they know their partner is not the same as they were before, maybe not as trusting, or will not give in that easily. So Seven of Wands spirit, Seven of Wands. Yes, the person who has their guard up now believes now in their heart that they were dealing with a player. And their partner also knows that, and that's why there is this difficulty into how to convince their partner once again to make a choice for them. That, hey, listen, choose me now, choose me. But they don't know how and what to tell their partner, because now the reputation has become such that they're a player. Right? So yes, somebody needs a big miracle here, Cancer, to be able to get back to their partner. Right now they are very, very embarrassed, they are very ashamed of their actions, and they are quite stuck at the moment. So let's see next week what happens. Will they come forward with a commitment? They are thinking about it, that's for sure. They want to make that decision. They don't want to be at crossroads anymore. But right now, they don't have the courage. Ace of Wands is in reverse because they're still kind of worrying about this conflict and fighting that has happened between the two of you. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Cancer. Till next week then. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.